Welcome to Comparing Sheets via Web. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Sheet Compare tool on the web platform. Now that we know how to access a sheet, we can leverage some of the functionality we briefly covered in the last section of this course. There are two main use cases for using the Sheet Compare tool. We can compare two versions of the same drawing to quickly identify changes. Perhaps a wall was moved, or the design team decided to go with 5 lavatories instead of 4. Or we can compare two different trade drawings to spot constructability issues or clashes beforehand. Perhaps a wall was already built, but our mechanical drawing shows duct going through that wall. How do we compare sheets while working in a web browser? From List View, let's first identify a sheet with more than one version. We'll open this sheet with 2 versions and select the Compare tool here. Now, because we opened a sheet with 2 versions, the dialog displays the 2 versions of the sheet by default. If we had more than 2 versions to the sheet, we could select which versions to compare in the menu here. Or, if we wanted to compare across trades, we can click Change here to select another sheet within the project. Once we've selected the sheets we'd like to compare, we'll click Compare. This is Sheet Compare mode. Per the dialog here, everything in red is what has changed or been added in the newer version, while everything in blue is what has changed or been removed from the older version. If there's no red or blue, there are no differences between these two versions. From here, we can turn off both colors or turn off single colors. If our sheets are misaligned, we can use the Align tool here. Click and drag to realign, or use your keyboard arrows for smaller adjustments, and click Finish Align. Here we can see that the walls were moved. In View Controls, we can use the Pan, Fit to View, and Zoom options we learned about in a previous lesson. We can also close and open the panel or switch from Compare mode to Side-by-Side mode and back. Once we're done comparing the sheets, we can exit Compare mode here. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to compare sheets on the mobile platform. In this video, you learned how to use the Sheet Compare tool on the web platform.